You're watching the Weiss channel. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, today we're doing something challenging, all right? It's a challenging formula to calculate a loan payment when you're repaying a loan back over time. We're going to use this crazy formula and we're going to calculate using the formula. Okay, for example, number one, suppose you have student loans totaling $7,500 when you graduate from college. The interest rate, APR, is 9% and the loan term is 10 years. A, what are your monthly payments? Question one. B, question two, how much will you pay over the lifetime of the loan? And question three, C, what is the total interest you'll pay on the loan? All right, so the payment, here's part A, question A, equals, the principal is $7,500 times APR is 0.09 over. Since you're paying monthly, N is going to be 12. Okay? All over 1 minus 1 plus the APR 0.09 over 12 to the negative 12 times how many years? 10. Okay? Now, calculate, okay? Starting with what's 0.09 divided by 12? If you do 0.09 divided by 12, that gives you 0.0075. So I'm going to do 7,500 times 0.0075 over 1 minus. Now, since 0.09 divided by 12 is 0.0075, I'm just going to do 1.0075 to the negative 120th power. Okay? So now, on my calculator, I'm going to do 7,500 times 0.0075. 7,500 times 0.0075. And that gives me 56.25. Okay? 56.25 over, okay? I'm going to do now, what's 1.0075 to the negative 120th power? 1.0075 to the negative 120th power gives me 0.4079. Now, I'm going to do 1 minus 0.4079 37305. 37305. Now, what's nice on my calculator is I can just hit 1 minus and the answer. 1 minus that number, and it gives me 0.59206. So now I have the payment is 56.25 divided by 0.59206. 0.59206. Okay? So I'm going to do 56.25 divided by this number. 56.25 divided by 0.59206, and I will get 95.006, which rounds to $95 and 1 cent. That is going to be your monthly payment. Okay? This is the hardest part of the problem. Okay? There are 3 answers. This one's the hardest part. So part A, your monthly payment will be $95.01. Now, if you're paying over 10 years, all right, how much will you pay over the lifetime of the loan? You'll pay $95.01, 12 months times 12 for 10 years, or times 120 months. So what is 95.01 times 120 months? That's 11,401. So B is 95.01 times 120, which is 11,401. 11,401 and 20 cents. Okay? Okay, so part C is very easy because it's saying what's the interest you're going to pay? Well, what are you going to wind up paying? You're going to wind up paying $11,401 and 20 cents. But how much was the loan for? The loan was for $7,500, right? So you subtract $7,500 because this was the money that you borrowed and this was what you paid back. So you had to pay back $11,401 for borrowing $7,500. So what is 11,401.20 minus 7,500? And you get 3,901. 3,901 and 20 cents. Okay? Parts A, B, and C. That's how you do it. Okay? Let's do one more just like it. Okay? All right. Once again, part A. Here, the payment equals the amount. Here, this one's $20,000. Okay. 20,000 times the APR is 7.5%. That's 0.075. Again, N is always going to be 12 because you're paying monthly, and there's 12 months in a year. Okay. Over 1 minus 1 plus the 0.075 over 12 to the negative 12 times 15. Okay, 12 times 15, 180? Yes, 180. Okay? So, all right, I'm going to start by doing 0.075 divided by 12. 0.075 divided by 12 gives me 0.00625. So, I'm going to do 20,000. This is 0.00625. Okay, I'm going to do 20,000 times that number. And that gives me 125. So the payment equals 125 divided by 1 minus 1. I'm going to do 1.00625 to the negative 180 power. Okay? Now, I'm going to do 1.00625 to the negative 180. 1.00625 to the negative 180 gives me 0.32579. So the payment equals 125 divided by 1 minus 0.32579, 1082. Okay, and I'm going to do 1 minus this number. 1 minus that number gives me 0.674. 125 divided by 0.674. 208,918. Okay, and now 125 divided by that number gives me 185.40. So the payment is going to be $185.40. That is part A. Part A is $185.40. Part B is how much am I going to pay over the lifetime of the loan? Well, that's going to be $185.40 for how many months? 180 months. So what's 185.40 times 180 months? 33372. $33,372, meaning you're paying $33,372 for a $20,000 loan. So what is the amount of interest you're paying to the bank? You're paying $33,372 minus the $20,000 that you borrowed. All right. How much is that? That's $13,372. You've been watching the Weiss channel. Da, 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 da.